clap, clap, bravo, it's a celebration. I gotta make some noise for the time I've been wasting with these girls that be naked and the pussy I be chasing. And I wake up in the morning, all these rooms I be pacing. And what happened to these niggas that steady riding with me? I'm feeling so sedity while I'm riding through my city. Got 3 times up in the car, I'm getting more head than a fitted. And I swear I had some money, but my pocket's full of digits. Damn, I gotta dim the lights now, reality just struck in. Damn, I got a wife now. I'm just feeling lucky for the girls I didn't pipe down. I'm just feeling lucky for the girls I didn't pipe. Wow, I hope nobody gets it. And even if you get it, man, I hope that you forget it. I was caught up in the moment while I'm feeling so uplifted. And I wake up in the morning and I'm feeling like I missed it. Damn, I fucked up, and she already know that I've been drinking too much. Too many drinks up in the table, I can't tell what's what. And as I look up in the mirror, clearly I ain't give a fuck. Girl, I'm sorry, it was just a party. And you know when we throw it, you know we be getting gnarly. So I'm sorry that you feeling so offended while I'm with these different women. If it helps the situation, I don't even know the women. Maybe I just don't remember. This girl named December, head game cold, pull my dick out in the winter. I'm the center of attention as I realize that I'm in her. And even though I don't remember, man, I swear I won't forget her. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? Yeah, I'm just saying you can do better. I'll start hating on it. I think I'm addicted to all these women who follow me up on Twitter, cause they all so bad. I don't think about the time that I be wasting when I think about them, nigga, cause it makes me mad. But shit, it's all good. Yeah, we be fucking, oh yeah, we be fucking. I say it's something, but you say it's nothing. Every time I come around, you be leaving. Why every time I come home, you be leaving? I needed you now, and you didn't come through for me. Every time you out, you always diss me. Kissing and talking about how you miss me. Where was all this when you was out feeling free? I just had sex and I feel so ashamed. Tell you the truth, but I can't bear the pain. After a while, girl, I don't feel ashamed, cause I just know I'ma do it again. Tell me what it is, girl. Tell me what you wanna do. Tell me what you here for. Tell me what you be on. I need someone to put this on. Sorry. I'm just saying I can do better. Tell me, have you said that lately? Yeah, I'm just saying I can do better. And I'ma get it in regardless if you let me.